Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our exploration of the strategic use of coke in blast furnace. Today we are embarking on a journey into the intricate world of optimizing coke quality and granulometry, or aims to uncover the profound effect these factors have on critical aspects such as blast furnace stability, gas circulation efficiency, and overcoming operational challenges such as reduced staffing, efficiency, and potential flooding. So let's start. Coming to our next slide, as it shows, neglecting coke strength with large core, particularly, raises the risk of fragmentation into smaller pieces. So, as it is shown in the slide, that larger coke vulnerable to cracking at cohesive zone escalates the fines ratio in the dead man, which is really a matter of great concern. Despite improved permeability in the lumpy zone and abundance of fines in the dead man hampers the molten material flow, including instability in blast furnace operation due to increase in holding, more pressure losses, and fear of losing fuel bottom. These two very important graphical pictures is shown that which shows that in blast furnaces the amount of fines -3 mm greatly affects the boardness empty space. The boardness starting point from the tuer decide how deep the raceway is, which affect actual furnace operation. Too many fines can block molten material from reaching in the heart, as we have already discussed, and which causing a lot of unstable blast furnace conditions, including many issues of tapping problems. Also, the coke in the raceway is small because it collide and burn there, while coke near the tuer is bigger because it doesn't stay long. Now, the partners that has lot of small coke fines, including one that didn't burn in the raceway and dust from the cohesive zone, this all makes the things more messy. This makes the bird nest, as we have already come across, that it is getting more crowded, which slows down the flow of molten material. Also, the more big coke we put in, the more fines we end up within the bird nest. So it is crucial to control the size of the coke we charge into the furnace to keep it working well and prevent issues with the bird nest and coke quality. So in conclusion, we can say that in short, strategic coke management is a vital for blast furnace stability. Controlling coke quality and size prevents fragmentation and maintain efficient operation. Fines in the dead man can disrupt flow, highlighting the importance of size management during charging. Overall, careful coke management ensure a smooth furnace performance and minimizes the operational issue. Thank you.